Hello everybody and welcome back to Phonics. Today we're starting group 5. So let's whiz through what we're doing today. Number 1, we're going to revise our special friends from group 4. That is A, O, I, E and OR. Number 2, we're going to work together to fill in the missing sounds. And then number 3, we're going to learn our new sound, Z. So, just like the other day, make sure you've got a nice pencil ready for if you're going to do any writing in your book. And let's get started. You may also need your flashcards. So if we remember, this is group 4, and in group 4 we learnt our new special friends. So it would be good now if you could pause the video and have a go at remembering each of the sounds in group 4. Great, so now you should have said all of the sounds in group 4. Of course, J is not a special friend, it's just a sound on its own, J. But here we have A, O, I, E, OR. We're going to whiz through these special friends now. I'm going to leave a little pause to see if you can say what the sound is before I do the gesture to help you. Good luck! E. Try and say it before me. A. I. O. O. I. E. O. O. A. So there you go. Our next activity is using those special friends A, O, I, E and OR to fill in the missing tiles. If you'd like to, you can just do it by looking and pointing, but it would be even better if you could build along with me using your tiles or your flashcards. You could even have a go at writing them straight down into your book. Remember to use your nice sharp pencil. Down here I have all of the special friends, and I can move these special friends to put them into the words. So why don't you get your bits ready now? Make sure you've got all 5 special friends and the letters out ready. Go and get them now. All right, let's start with this one. Let's start with feet. Your job is to sound out feet and then choose the special friend which fits. If you can't quite remember by looking at these tiles, it's okay. Look back to our group 4 to help you. Maybe by seeing the picture, it'll help you remember which one is A, which one is I. It's okay to use pictures and clues to help you. So off we go. Sound out feet. Build the word and then check back with me. Pause the video. Great! I hope by now you've built the word feet. You may have done it with your tiles, your flashcards, or you might have even written feet in your book. I'm going to sound out feet. Eat. I'm going to do it with the gestures to help me. Eat. Okay, so the middle sound that I'm looking for was E. And I know that this is E. So I'm going to take the E from down here and finish the word feet. Quickly check with yours. Did you make feet the same as me? Well done. Next, we're going to build pie. We've already got the P, but let's see which comes next in pie. Sound out pie, build it or write it, and then catch up with me. Pause the video. Great. Let's see if you were right. P, I. Let me find I. This one is I. Aha. Let's check. P, I. Pie. Yes, great. Okay, let's move on to boat. Sound out boat, build it up, and then catch up with me. Pause the video. Let me sound out boat. B, oat. I'm looking for O. Did you find O? O like goat, O like boat. Here it is. Brilliant. B, oat. Our next one is corn. Sound out corn before you build it or write it. Pause the video. Great, we can see here that we already have the K and the N. So let me sound out corn. K, or. I was missing or. Let's find or. E, or. There it is, or. K, orn. Corn. Brilliant. The last one is easy because it's the only special friend we've got left. Sound out snail and check which sound we were missing before you build it up. Pause the video. S, A, oh. Oh, good. Look, A is the last one that we've got left, so we must have got them all right. Ale. Fantastic. Well done, everybody. If you'd like to, you can make some more E, I, O, or A words, and I'd love to see them. So now we need to meet our new sound, and this is the start of group 5. How exciting, we're whizzing through our sounds, and that's brilliant. Today's sound is Z. Can you make it like me? Z. Make sure you make it like a long sound and not like this. Z. That's not the sound. The sound is Z. Well done. This little girl is watching some bees fly around the garden. As they fly from flower to flower, they make a Z sound. She pretends to fly like the bee, saying Z. It's quite a fun sound to make because it's a bit like a zigzag. Zig, zag, zig. Sometimes when we see Z words, we see one Z on its own. Like this word, Z, ip, zip. But sometimes, like this big word here, you see 2 Z letters together. But when we see 2 letters together, and they're special friends, we just say one sound. So we just say Z one time. Try sounding out this word on your own now. Pause the video. Great, let me check with you. B, ah, z, buzz. Buzz! Oh, that's what the bees are doing. Fantastic. There's two more words on this page that I'm going to sound out for you. Z, ooh, zoo, and I, z, e, fizzy, fizzy, like a soda. Let's have a go at making Z shapes together, and then that'll be the end of your jobs today. Make sure you've got your pencil and your paper, or your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen to practice this shape. Zig, zag, zig. Off you go. Try a Z shape. Brilliant. If you want to get it to sit on the line, try it like me. Z. Make sure you've done your Z 5 times today. If you want to, you can have a go at writing some Z words like zip, zig, zag, and buzz. But if that's enough for you today, that's okay. Well done everyone, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow when we learn another new sound from group 5.